Lash reveal, lash reveal. The most important part of doing your DIY cluster lashes is using your tape to tape up your eyeball. This is the tape that professional lash techs use if you're getting your lash extensions done. So we're gonna use it to do our DIY. You're gonna take a strip of tape about this big and you're just gonna rip it off. Super easy. If you have very sensitive skin, you might wanna tape it to the back of your hand really quick and then peel it off just to get rid of some of that adhesive. However, this tape is meant for your face, so it should be fine. You're gonna take your lash tape, you're gonna get it really, really close to the base of your lid where your lashes come out. You're gonna tape the bottom part down, you're gonna lift it up, and you're gonna tape the top part up to your eyebrow like this. See how these lashes are sticking straight up and these ones are not? This is gonna make it easier to see what you're doing. It's gonna make it safer. You're not gonna get glue on your eyelid, you're not gonna get glue in your eyeball. We are going to be using the purple set. It is linked in the video. $20 free shipping. Comes with the lashes, the applicator, the glue, the remover. The first thing that you're going to do now that your lashes are taped up is take the bond side of the Bond and Seal, which is black. You can see this one comes with a slightly curved applicator, nice and thin. You're going to take this and you're going to coat your entire lash with it from root to tip. Now, there are a lot of people on TikTok who will tell you, don't coat your lashes from root to tip, just put it on the base of your lash. Just put it on the base of your lash. I put it from root to tip on purpose because it makes my lashes last longer. If your lashes clump up, I have a hack for that. It is in my Just Lashes playlist. The number one thing that you need to know when you're taking the lash off of the box, if you grab your lash from the tip, you're gonna rip it, okay? So you need to grab it by this black base down here and just be careful. You pick up your lash by the bottom. Once you've got it from the bottom, grab it with your hand, give your applicator a little lick-see, and then grab it by the top, and we'll apply it by the top. We are gonna start by taking a 16 right on that outer corner, okay? We're gonna put that right on this outer corner here. These lashes are super light and fluffy, which I like. They're not heavy at all. So when you're putting on your lash, you need to make sure you're not putting it in your waterline. Keep it away from your waterline as best you possibly can. Okay? If you didn't have your tape like this, you wouldn't be able to see what you were doing. Make sure that they are not dipping into your waterline. So that is a 16 and an 18 so far. All right, we're gonna go in with an 18. Make sure we're not too close to that waterline. We'll go back down to 16. That's a 16. 14, make sure it's not too close to that waterline. 16, 18, 18, 16, 14. All right, wanted to put on one more 14. So far we did, what do we do? 16, 18, 18, 16, 14, 14, 12. Okay, there goes the 10. You gotta angle your head and put it sideways like this. That's how you're gonna prevent that pokey feeling, okay? Make sure it's not too close to your waterline. The pin, oh, look at how sticky, oh, that was sticky. That's why we lick. You saw how sticky that was? Lick and pinch, lick and pinch. Now that we have pinched, we're gonna go in with the seal side of our Bond and Seal. Tap, 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 tap. Nothing crazy. You're just gonna tap, 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 tap. You need to get a Q-tip, give it a lick or dip it in water. I know you guys think it's gross that I lick it. And swipe that waterline. You are not done until you swipe that waterline. I'm telling you, even if it doesn't look like there's anything on your waterline, there is. Pinch. See how sticky it is? Okay. Lash reveal. See all of this glue that came off? All of that glue would be on your eyelid if you didn't use the tape. Lash reveal, lash reveal, lash reveal. Beautiful.